Children and young people in the criminal justice system. The Youth Court deals with defendants who are between the ages of 10 and 17. Defendants who are aged between 10 and 13 are referred to as children, and those aged between 14 and 17 are referred to as young people. This difference in terminology becomes important when looking at the Youth Court's powers of sentencing. Youths may also be classified as a persistent young offender, which means that they have been convicted of a recordable offence on 3 separate occasions. A youth classified as a persistent young offender will have their trial expedited and be dealt with as quickly as possible. The Youth Court is part of the Magistrates' Court system. Much of the law and procedure in the Youth Court is the same as that in the Adults' Courts, and the hearings in the Youth Court take place before either a bench of lay magistrates or district judge in the same way. There are, however, a number of notable differences. This tutorial will focus on the differences between the adult and the youth system in the various stages of criminal litigation, from the police investigation through to sentencing. Police station. Special rules apply to suspects who are considered to be youths, sometimes referred to as juveniles, in the police station. Code C of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act 1984, Codes of Practice, gives the police extra responsibilities when detaining youths. The custody officer should identify the young person's needs and vulnerabilities in accordance with Code C, paragraphs 3.6 to 3.10. The custody officer should then, if reasonably practicable, find out the person responsible for the suspect's welfare and inform them of the suspect's arrest, the reason for the arrest, and where they are being detained, in accordance with Code C, paragraph 3.13.